What's up guys, Dean here again with Team Debru, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to promote CBD products online. So make sure you guys are paying attention. We're going to be going over a couple ways to be able to do this because CBD is a little tricky when it comes to promoting CBD products. So make sure you guys are paying attention, and also if you are liking the videos, if you want to make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to do that now, as well as turn on those post notification bells to be alarmed whenever we post any new content. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. Again, if you're just tuning in with us here today, we're going to be talking about how to promote CBD products online. If you guys have never promoted CBD products before, you might not be aware that you aren't able to promote on traditional like paid advertising places like Facebook or Instagram or Google or even Bing, just because they don't allow you to promote anything that is around cannabis or CBD products, even if it is like a gray area or anything like that. So we're going to go over a couple ways here today that I have found to be able to promote CBD products. That way I can share them with you guys here, and you guys can start making some money with affiliate marketing as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing is going to be with social media. In terms of social media, we're not talking about paid advertising. We're talking about free traffic with these platforms. So like Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, all of these places, all of these social media sites are a great place to start promoting CBD products. This can be a great way to drive your traffic to any of the CBD affiliate offers that you're trying to promote. In terms of being able to do this, you would have to either grow, your Instagram pages, grow your Facebook pages, start promoting a lot about CBD products on Pinterest and Twitter as well. So just keep that in mind. And as you guys can see here with this little funnel to the right, social media basically will drive the traffic to your website or to your affiliate offer, and that's when you'll get your leads and you'll get your sales using social media. So that's one way to be able to make money with CBD products. If you've seen some of our other videos with how to promote CBD products on Instagram specifically, I showed you guys how to be able to do that with free traffic, how to grow your accounts, how to create your accounts to be able to promote affiliate CBD products. So make sure you guys check that out if you haven't already. But let's go ahead and go over to the next one. The next one is going to be with paid advertising. So there are a couple ways to do this with paid advertising. However, with like Facebook, all those other places I told you earlier, you aren't able to do it directly by saying, hey, come buy my CBD product. There is one way to do that. However, Traffic Routes is a paid advertising platform that you can take advantage of for CBD products, cannabis products in general. But there are some downsides. There is a $1,000 minimum to start with Traffic Routes. So with affiliate marketing, if you're just starting out, or if you think that's quite a lot just to start testing CBD products, I can understand the issue with that. I've used their service before. I've had some success with them. However, $1,000 is a lot to a start. It did take me quite a while to do that for one of my businesses on there. So I definitely understand that. And there are some other ways to do this with paid advertising that I'll show you guys right now. So there are people that are having success with promoting things related to CBD on places like Facebook and Google, Twitter, all of these places by promoting things like, let's say, for example, instead of promoting a CBD product directly, you promote an article on either, some kind of skin irritation, and how different products can help with the skin irritation, and have CBD being one of them, which eventually links back to your website or your affiliate page to be able to get promoted and make sales. But you can't directly promote to CBD. So for another example, you could also write an article on anxiety, and then you could promote that on these platforms, as long as you're not really talking about CBD too much. You're talking about the anxiety part, and benefits, and not necessarily benefits of CBD, but things that you can use to help with your problem, CBD solutions for your problem. You're able to do that. Another way that people are having success, other than promoting, let's say, an article or something, is they are able to do lead magnets. So they are able to offer something in return for an email address, which they will later use for email marketing for these products. So they might do something similar where they're talking about some sort of health thing that CBD could definitely help out with. But they'll write an article, or they'll do something, they'll give out some sort of ebook or something in return for collecting an email that they'll later use to promote those CBD affiliate products for later on. So that's the next way to do it. And then another way is with search engine optimization, so SEO. Obviously, in my personal opinion, I think this is one of the most powerful solutions to be able to promote CBD products is with SEO. Just because it is going to be, Google and all the search engines sending the traffic that people are specifically looking for CBD related products or CBD information from, to be able to funnel it directly to your website. However, this can obviously take a really long time before you see any kind of results, usually a few months before you start ranking any kind of keywords or articles and start making any money from it. And you have to be really consistent as well. You have to set up a budget, I would say, typically for being able to do this and compete, especially in a niche like this that is growing really fast with CBD. SEO is getting harder and harder each day as different keywords and things are starting to get taken. But top 3 reasons to use SEO to help market your CBD is there's no need to worry about strict CBD advertising regulations. So again, abiding by Google, Facebook, all of those rules where they don't allow direct CBD. You don't have to worry about that with SEO because these are just basically based off of search terms and keywords that are driving audience to your website. You can drive CBD focused traffic to your website and into your conversion funnel. So again, this is going to be CBD focused. Anyone that's coming to your website from SEO is going to be centralized on something related with CBD. Either they search where to find CBD products, how does CBD help my anxiety, different things like that. CBD can help you out. And then overall, it's going to help improve your online branding and your credibility if you're popping up a lot in search results. So lastly, one powerful way that I want to talk about is with email marketing. So we talked about this earlier with some of the paid advertising, being able to collect some of the emails. CBD is a great way to, email marketing is a great way to promote CBD products. So you can start building your own email list, doing some of the lead gen things to collect emails. And then also, I wanted to show you guys that if you go to Udemy, they actually have some solo ads sellers specifically for CBD. So if you go to Udemy, you sign up for an account to buy solo ads, which is basically email marketing. You could buy from these 2 sellers here. They sell a CBD email list. This one specifically for CBD oil. I see this guy a lot on here. He's pretty popular, so I know his email list is pretty good. This one is specifically for weight loss, disease, CBD, and cannabis oil. Kind of overall, a little less money, a little less on return for percentage compared to this one. But these are also other options that you can take advantage of.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.